Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled sport bike just arrived with only 688 miles. It's got the smoke windscreen, fender eliminator, beautiful condition, brand new tires. Come on by, make your sport and twin dreams come true with this gorgeous 2015, only $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.